Boating Adventure Community Post Channel Update number 83. Well, a very good day to you. It is Friday, the 14th of June 2024, and today I'm on the north coast of Norfolk, and we are at Holkham Beach, and it's absolutely glorious. The weather's a little bit iffy today. There's quite a few dark clouds around, but we're just trying to make the most of it. We've come to this area because it's Steve's very special birthday this week. Yesterday we went to Sandringham and we had a lovely afternoon tea, so thank you to all the staff there for looking after us so very well. That was brilliant. My next video will go out on Saturday the 22nd of June 2024 at 8 AM, and that video was the first trip out for the Swamp Duck after moving it to its new mooring. The new mooring is not far from the Coventry Canal, so I turned onto the Coventry Canal and went up to the village of Polesworth. So I had a good look around Polesworth, and it was quite interesting. So join me for the first airing of that video on Saturday the 22nd of June 2024 at 8 AM. In the meantime, we're going to try and make the very best of this beach, and I don't know whether we'll get a suntan or whether we'll just get windburn, but we'll try our best. So thank you very much for watching and for all your support, and a big welcome to any new subscribers. Again, there's been quite a few new people joining the channel in the last week or so, so a big welcome to you, and I hope you're enjoying the content of this YouTube channel. So thank you to all of you, all those who've supported me throughout. Thank you very much, and as always, do take care.